be all the way in the back toward the north.
We're going to break in and get back in.
Well, if they might be running. If that's going off now, they might be running. Last time we were here, it got set off by the smoke and the dust. You know what I'm saying?
It was a water flow.
No, it's not the weight. It's not the scale house. It's the actual plant system, the crusher. Monroe County, Whiteford Engine 2's on scene. Chief Willoughby's Stoneco Command. Out investigating.
Whiteford,